scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the error bound for an alternating series is actually super fast if you know the secret trick. Let's solve this specific problem right now. First, we need to look at the partial sum given in the problem. Since we are using the first 4 terms for our approximation, the error bound is the 5th term. Now let's calculate that 5th term by plugging 5 into our formula. 2 raised to the power of 4 minus 5 gives us 2 to the negative 1st power. That is simple. 2 to the negative 1 is 1/2. This represents our maximum error bound. Therefore, option B is the correct choice for this series. Well done! Scan now, watch signs carefully, trust given values, and check steps to ensure you always pick the right answer.